Have you ever wished you could clone yourself? That way, you could handle all your clients' needs and still have time for a personal life. Well, now you can with Prompt ROI. Prompt ROI allows you to create unlimited AI agents that do the work for you. It's like having your own army of clones. You can build out prompts for every aspect of your work and sell access to your clients. It's like being a mad scientist, but instead of creating monsters, you're creating workhorses. And the best part? You can sell access to your prompts without giving away the actual prompt. It's like having a secret formula that only you know. With Prompt ROI, you can protect your intellectual property and create residual recurring revenue. It's like having your own personal ATM. And with Prompt ROI, you can create your own private white label marketplace in minutes. It's like having your own private island. So if you want to clone yourself, become a mad scientist, have your own personal ATM, and your very own private island, then you need Prompt ROI. Request an invitation to use Prompt ROI today and start cloning yourself like never before.